Is Samsung Global Goals really one of the fastest ways to earn by watching ads, or is it a complete waste of time? My name is Michael and I have tested hundreds of different free ways to make money online, and many viewers have asked me about this app, and therefore I decided to join it and test it myself. And in this Samsung Global Goals review, I'll give you an inside look, show both the pros and the cons so you can easily decide for yourself if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So before I log in and show you exactly how Samsung Global Goals work, then let's talk about who can join. Because it is Samsung, it's an app developed by Samsung, so you would think that it's definitely available for Android devices, and it is. You can download it for free through the Google Play Store. But also, from what I've been able to find out, I have a Samsung phone myself, so I'm just using that, but you can use it on any Android device. But also, from what I've been able to find, they do also have an app actually through the App Store, so you can use it on iOS devices. So that's something to be aware of. They do not say exactly which countries it's available in or not, but from what I know, it's available in a lot of different countries. If you have tried to download it, then please share below if you managed to find it. If you can find it in either the App Store or Google Play Store, then it is available in your country. And in many cases, it's already pre-installed if you have a Samsung phone. So please share below which country you're from and if you are able to join it or not, if you decide to test it out yourself after having watched this video. But that's just who can join. Let me now then pull it up on the screen and show you exactly how it works so you can find out if it's the right opportunity for you or not. So I have now pulled Samsung Global Goals app up on my screen, and it's quite easy to use, I will say. So the main idea about the app is to support these global goals to make the world a better place actually, and that's tied into also the payout option. So we'll talk a little bit about that later. But as for how to earn, it's very easy because the main way is to earn by watching ads, and you can do that in different ways. You can scroll down and it might look a little bit different depending on your country and depending on when you test it. But overall, you can go through and you can very easily see it. In my case, you can see there's an option where I can view more, earn more, because one thing that you can turn on is actually a lock screen, and that's a big part of it where you can see ads and you will earn by that, and that will just be added to your account in here. So that will automatically happen. And I must say that the lock screen, it's actually not annoying. I have used other lock screen apps where you can earn by having these lock screens, and it's a lot more user friendly. It's not as disturbing or anything like that compared to what I've seen on other apps that offer the same earning opportunity. So that's definitely pro when it comes to that. That's one way. But also, as you can see inside, I can view more and earn more. So if I open that, and if you just keep a look on the earnings, this is the currency where I'm currently located, then you can see that that will also grow there. I can scroll through, and then you see now it just went up there a little bit. If you look in the top corner there, just by scrolling through. So that's one way you will do that once in a while. If I just scroll, then it will once in a while see now it went up a little bit again. It doesn't give huge earnings, but again, this is only taking a few seconds, and compared to other apps where you get paid to actually watch ads, this pays a lot more. But there's also, for me anyways, here an option to watch a video. So I can also watch videos to earn more. So I can click that, and then an ad will pop up, usually for another app or something like that. And it usually takes 30 seconds. As you can also see, it actually counts down. So again, very user friendly. Often you do not see that it counts down. I have had ads where I got paid just for watching even 5 seconds, but in this case it's 30 seconds. So let me just let it run out, and then I will come back once it's over, so you do not have to watch the whole ad. So once the ad is over, you can see the reward has been granted, and then I can just close it, and then it will be added. You can see it counts, and this is what I get for this one. I have seen it higher than this. Again, this is the currency where I'm currently located, but I've seen it as much as around 5 cents just for watching a small video like this. And it doesn't sound like a lot, which it also, of course, it will require to watch a lot of ads to earn. But if you also turn on the lock screen, I'll show you in a minute, just also another way where you potentially earn more, then it just slowly builds up. And again, compared to other ads, usually for watching a 30-second ads on these PTC sites that are meant for just you to earn by clicking ads, you in many cases will get 0.0001 cent for a 30-second ad or something like that. So getting around 5 cents for a short video ad like this is actually very good for an app that will pay you to watch ads. But let's also just talk about one more way where you potentially can earn inside. You can see you can also turn on what's called enhanced ads to earn more, because then they will target you more with ads specifically for you, and then you will also earn more because they will get paid more for advertising. So that's something you can decide if you want to turn on or not. That's just something to be aware of, a good little thing to keep an eye on. One more thing you can use this Samsung Global Goals app for is to challenge your friends, but this is not something where you as such will make money. You can see the option there, it's for friends, and then you can challenge them to donate to these different charities, different goals, global goals that this app is all about. We'll talk about that next when we come to the payout options. So this is where you will be able to support some of these UN goals, United Nations goals there, by challenging your friends if you want to. But that's not a way, as mentioned, to earn, but that's just an option that I wanted to make you aware of. In general, you can just go in and read about the different updates. They have a lot of different information, so it's very user-friendly and kind of takes you through everything. But what you also need to know is the payout options. What do you then do when you earn? That's of course very important to know. So let's go over that next. So when it comes to the payout options, this is when it becomes a little bit unusual compared to many other apps where you can earn by watching ads, because you see the main thing, if you go to the main screen there to pay out or cash out, then you can see it is all about donating money earned to support these global goals. And then you can scroll down and see the different goals where it's all about like ending poverty, zero hunger, ending hunger, health and well-being. And they have all the information about these different goals inside these 17 goals. So it's some really good causes, in my opinion anyways, that you can donate to. But this also means that it's not necessarily for all. If you are looking to earn money for yourself by watching ads, then this app is not for you, because this is a charity app, as you can say. But you can actually make a difference, because you can see some of the numbers of how much has been donated so far, and it's a lot. You can just go there and read all about that inside the app, and it actually makes a difference. And one thing I will say that is also great is that Samsung actually matches your donation. So you earn here for free, and when you then donate, then they will match it, so they will donate the same amount. So it can actually make a difference if all people do it, but it's just not for everyone. But let's just also see how to do this so we can actually see that they do donate this before then summing it all up, and then you can decide for yourself if this is for you or not. But there are a lot of really great causes. I would recommend that you read about it so you know what you would donate to. In my case now, I will try this climate action there, and then I will donate, and you can see I get the option to donate more if I want to, or I can donate what I have earned, and you can see this little 2x because they will match it. They also say that here you see Samsung will double your donation, which is really great. So I will just click to donate it, and you can see then you got this sum up there, my donation, Samsung's donation, and a total. This is equivalent of maybe like close to $2, $1.80 or something like this. I have really not spent a lot of time doing this because you earn so fast by watching the ads. It's very fast to get this, so I just want to make that clear. But I'll just donate then. And you can see then it has been donated, and then I can keep an overview here how much I donated to. So that's how these payout option work, or donation work. But let me just close down the app, and then we can sum it all up so you can find out if you should use this or not. So overall, I actually really like this Samsung Global Goals app. However, it's not for everyone. If you are looking for ways to make money for yourself, then this is not the right option. I like it because it's so easy to earn. It is actually the fastest way to earn by watching ads that I have seen, and I have tested hundreds of different ways. But if you want to get the earnings for yourself, this is not the right option for you. Then I also have information about that. I will leave links below so you can find more information about how you, for example, can earn both cash or Bitcoin or whatever you want by watching ads or doing other small online micro tasks. But you can use other options also to earn for yourself and use Samsung Global Goals at the same time to donate to charities if you want to, because it really does not take a lot of effort. And that's why I personally have decided after testing it, because so many people ask me about it, to keep using it once in a while, because it can be a great way to actually make a difference for some really great causes, in my opinion anyways. But if you have an opinion about it, or if you've tried it yourself or anything like that, I would also love to hear about that. So please feel free to share that in a comment below. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.